Gastric bypass surgery is the most common weight reduction procedure done in this country. And it's basically a combination of a restrictive procedure, that means it restricts the amount of food that a patient can take in, as well as a malabsorptive procedure, that some of the calories that the patient takes in are not absorbed. And it's accomplished in two steps, really. And the first is by dividing the stomach to make a small pouch. So as you can see, only a small percentage of the stomach is really used to make this pouch, so the patient can't eat very much. And then some of the intestine is bypassed, so some of the calories that are taken in are not absorbed. So this gives a good balance of adequate weight loss without leading to a lot of nutritional deficiencies and problems in the future. The benefits to the patient are, well, essentially the main reason we're doing this is to alleviate all the medical problems associated with obesity. And at this time, the only known cure for type 2 diabetes is sustained weight loss. And the most successful sustained weight loss is surgical weight loss. All of our patients tell us they've lost hundreds of pounds, but they're not able to keep it off. And the only way you can cure diabetes and high blood pressure and a lot of these medical problems is to keep the weight off. And the sustained weight loss that you get with, and long-term weight loss that you get with bariatric surgery is the best way to solve all of these medical issues. And secondly, by losing the excess weight and getting to a normal or close to normal body mass index, it typically prolongs a patient's life by about 10 years.